With a growing focus on sustainability and a circular economy, the recycling of plastic is at the forefront of most minds. Some may wonder how exactly plastic bottles are recycled, and what impact, if any, does ink have on the process? Well, let's take a look. Here we have a PET bottle. 500 billion of these bottles are produced every year. For every 10 PET bottles we use, only 3 make it to the recycling bin, and even then, it can still get rejected because of problems that happen during the recycling process. Everyone's been talking about this problem for years. Plastics flooding ocean. Plastic island in Pacific. Plastic, plastic, plastic. Then something started happening. Companies started to come together and find solutions. Here at Inks, we're doing our part with an ink innovation that enables recycling and the circular reuse of materials. Introducing Genesis Washable Inks. Genesis is a sustainable ink that's de-inkable from PET shrink label films. It can also be used on roll-fed labels printed on OPP with the use of a cross-linker, where the label is separated from the bottle during the recycling process. Let's take a look at how Genesis assists with the recycling process of PET bottles. First, when plastic is sent to the recycling center, it's separated from all the other materials. Then, the plastic is sent through a grinder and ground into flakes. The flakes are then sent through a caustic bath. If there's substantial bleed of color into the caustic solution, there's a greater potential for staining of recovered PET flakes. This stained flake has limited uses, which means it's less valuable for reuse overall. Genesis addresses this challenge and allows the polyester label to be recycled with the polyester bottle. The ink is removed from the label substrate during the caustic wash phase. Advanced formulation of pigment particles results in minimal bleed in the caustic wash solution, and in turn, substantially reduces impact on recycled PET discoloration, so that new clear bottles can be made from the recovered material, resulting in a circular reuse of the plastic. For OPP labels, using Genesis Washable Inks keeps the ink anchored to the label when the flakes enter the caustic bath. The OPP label is separated from the PET bottle flakes, and the clean, reusable PET flakes are created. So, if your label business is looking for ways to fit into the new circular economy that's being created, then reach out to us today at inksgenesis.com. Inks, coloring a safe and sustainable future.